See, today the entire country is boiling. All hotels wanted to close them because they doesn't have gas. All prices will shoot up. So all have to look at firewood or electric stove or kerosene stove. Even there is no kerosene also for all these stoves. So it will be a very great problem in the entire country. Central government is not reacting to it, and our policy and the relationship what we had with the suppliers, I think foreign policy, it is going from the bad to worst. So I think the government, central government should debate on this, come out with a stand. They should make all the parliament members to give their suggestions, opinion, discussion has to be held. I think in Karnataka, all hotel associations have decided to stop their restaurants. It is a big setback for the entire hotel industry. And all including the hospitals, they are finding very difficult. And in future, the government has to come out with a strategy how the household and the business, wherever the businesses are there, including the industries, what is the next alternative? They have to give up a solution on this. We condemn the decision of the central government. They are not taking much interest. They would have, last 15 days itself, they should have made a precautionary decision on these issues, but I think nothing they have been done. Only yesterday they have spoken to the Chief Secretary to see that some of them will come back, but no facilities has been provided yet. So I think
written only letters, sir.
I think there is no question of writing a minister. They have to just speak in the parliament.